Shout out to the Sweet Farm.
Right, to the Sweet family, you know what I mean? I original, you understand?
To the face and hear the voice, you don't know Lisa Ipa, me represent for Sweet Farm. So subscribe to them YouTube channel right now. Right now.
Okay guys, when you have when you have some overnight dumpling, and we're gonna fry them, and we have some ackee over here. It's frozen. Yard food, golden brown butter. I remember sod seal. So they sod seal. You know what is a sod seal, me know. Hey guys, so I fry them dumpling now. And then we're going to be serving that with some ackee and saltfish. Okay. One next piece, maybe can go in that. Oi. Huh? You set it up? Yeah. Yes guys, so I like when my dumpling crispy, so I'll wait on that to fry crisp. Yes, so my dumpling fry. So that is boiled fried dumpling. We're gonna be having with some ackee, overnight style. Yes, sweet's good. So the ackee and saltfish is ready. Got piece of the white yam that my daddy dig, and the banana that we chop as well. Got some sweet corn, and yeah, that's the fried dumpling. Yeah guys, I'm gonna tuck in here now. See all that steam coming out. Can't wait for tuck in. The sweet squad, I'm gonna tuck in now. With this yum. Yum tastes nice. Okay.